welcome to another Mario Party 7 minigame review!
Last time, we reviewed Air Farce, and it was not good. Yeah, it was kind of one that just boiled down to getting used to the controls the quickest, which is just kind of sad, which bumped it down even more on the mean. But don't worry, there are tons of chances to turn that around, and we'll see if we can do that with the dual minigame, Apes of Wrath. So let's get to the review, shall we?
So here's how you play this one. You and your opponent are in an arena, basically in the middle of a forest. And there are Yukikis that are chasing you, because you ate their apples. And your job is to try to escape the Yukikis for as long as possible. The first player to get caught loses. It goes on forever until that happens. And yeah, basically that's it. Although, more Yukikis will get onto the stage the longer the minigame goes, to make sure it ends. Which is pretty fair. Although, this minigame, it's just simply alright. I'm kind of sad we haven't even hit one that is pretty remarkable. With Mario Party 6, we hit that immediately. However, here, it may be taking a bit more time. Although, do you know what's my biggest flaw with this minigame? It's pretty much the fact that the course stays the same the entire time. How do you mess that up? Because basically, it kind of means that you could just study the entire route of the course over and over again. And there's even going to be points, if you're not being the one that's chased by the Yukikis, you're likely going to be safe for most of the time. Which is kind of sad, however, it's really just whatever. It's a minigame that, I'm not really mixed on at all. It's just basically, I don't feel good or bad about getting this minigame. It's just simply there. Yeah, I kind of wish I have more to say about these minigames. However, once we get to the good or bad ones, I'll tell you right now, I'll have a lot more to say for them. But for now, this is basically all I can say for Apes of Wrath. For the general thoughts. Let's get to the overall ones, shall we?
Overall, Apes of Wrath is a pretty simple, nice minigame. It's really nothing special at all. All it is just Yukikis chasing you, and just make sure you're not caught. It goes on forever unless you're caught. And also, I like the fact that there are more Yukikis that get on the screen the longer it goes on. That could be pretty nice. Although this minigame can most likely last about maybe 15 seconds most of the time. And I also think that a problem with this one is that the course, it does not change at all. Which, I don't know why they didn't do that. But okay. Anyways, yeah, this minigame is just alright. I'm probably not going to remember it any time. And I'm going to go back to doing so right now, since I'm giving it 3 stars. And that's it for today. Up next, we're going to be reviewing Balloonatic. See you guys then.
Monkey.